Good morning and welcome back to my channel. So this morning we're checking out from this lovely hotel and we'll be moving to a new place and we'll be going to explore Kochi a little bit. So we had a couple days of rest and yeah, it was much needed. But now we are re-energized and we are ready to explore Kochi. So let's go. Oh, we've been walking for 20 minutes and I'm already all covered in sweat. It's super warm, super warm. It's like Julie said it shows on his watch that it's 29 degrees, but I think it's way more. Very nice. This one is 4-star hotel as well. How much was it per night? 30 euros. Okay, so similar price. Let's have a look at the view. Okay, it's the view of the city. So another feature of this room is this window. That you can watch someone taking a shower. Yeah, it's pretty funny. So we are just waiting for our Uber to go into town, and the temperature is actually so hot. Like really, it's I think the highest will go up to 31 degrees today, and yeah, very hot day. And and I think the weekend is going to be, today is Thursday, so the weekend is going to be a lot warmer as well. Nice.
Fort Kochi?
Yes. Thank you, boss.
Okay, welcome.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye. We arrived to Kochi Fort. But first, before we go exploring, we need to get some lunch. Fried chicken momo. Here's Julie's meal. And this is shapani, I think it's called. Also deep fried pastries. Look delicious. And here's my vegetable and noodle soup.
Just looking my friend, looking at the streets of
Tor.
So we just got back to our hotel room and we decided to change our traveling plans. Julius just went online and booked the tickets to go to Sri Lanka. It's only 1 hour and 10 minutes travel on a plane from Kochi. So we said, let's go check out Sri Lanka. So we are flying out on Saturday. So yeah, we'll see what we'll find there in Sri Lanka, but we are pretty excited about traveling there. So but that was it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.